Hello, I'm going to do an unboxing of a D4s. It's arrived this morning from Windsor, Grays of Windsor. This morning. It's one of the first ones in the country. Apparently they told me it's the first batch of 20 to hit the country. So we'll see. My name's Jason Seaney, I'm a photographer. There it is. So what have we got in here? What's in there? Something exciting, hopefully. Lens filter. That's a 50mm 1.4. And goodness only knows what this is. There's magazines from Nikon, very kind of them. Nothing else hiding in there. Okay. We'll pop that later. So here we are then, D4s. Tell you what, let's have some music.
pictures of Galway. Twisting away. On horseback over the steppes.
So there we go. Now then, I'll be updating a blog on this every day on RedPix. I'm going to be going out and using this on a daily basis and putting some pictures onto the blog so that you can have a look and see how the image quality is. I'm not going to be putting raw files on. I'm going to be using the camera as I do every day, just basically to do my job, freelance photographer. And I'm going to be putting the pictures up as they would be presented to a client. So I shoot everything in RAW, and then I post-process with CS6 and make all the adjustments there. I'll be doing exactly the same thing with this camera. So when you see pictures on my website, on the blog, you'll know that they've been taken with a D4s and post-processed in Adobe RAW in CS6. I'm not putting raw files up, that's not what the customer sees, and this is what I want to present to the outside world, is what the customer was going to see as a result of this camera. Okay, so keep tuned. RedPix Photography, and click on the blog and you'll get to see exactly what I've been up to. Cheers, bye!